Welcome, I'm Kelley. I hope you like this DIY video. These were in the nightlight section at my Dollar Tree. I removed the hanging hardware and put it aside to be repurposed later. I traced the openings of the street lamp decor on cardstock. On the glossy side of a frosted cutting mat, I traced out 2 doors, 4 large window panels, and 6 tiny window panels. I used alcohol to clean everything and to get it ready for painting. To the doors, I added office sticker labels. Next, I cut out and painted sticker lace. Then I decorated and painted the 4 larger window panels. I used black electrical tape to attach the window panes from the inside. I worked on both halves of this project simultaneously. I also used the same tape to create hinges on the doors. Here is the hanging hardware that I removed earlier, and I'm repurposing it as a door handle. I punctured a teeny tiny hole to fit the screw. I attached a larger piece of tape to the inside of the door where the hinges are. A piece of scrap magnet was used to help hold the door closed. I probably got carried away adding all the bling, but my God, it was so much fun. Besides, it's Christmas, and I wanted this to look extra pretty and festive for the holidays. I used a variety of rhinestone and gem stickers that I picked up from different crafting stores through the years. But you can use any that you like, obviously, for this project. Metal washers to help hold the candles in place with magnets. Here's where the 2 became 1, and isn't it beautiful? "100% acetone removes all the spring letterings from this Dollar Tree bucket." I also ended up removing the handles from that bucket. I don't know where that footage went. I used a Dollar Tree plunger and I shaved the tip of it flat so that I could use it as a light post. I used the bottom part of this plunger inside out and attached it to the inside of the bucket for more stability. This hexagon wood piece I picked up from Dollar Tree as well, and I attached eyelet screws to the corners to hang ornaments. I don't remember where I got these fancy wood cutouts, but you can get them from about any craft store or Amazon.
Down through the chimney with lots of toys.
Whenever possible, I like to recycle, upcycle, or repurpose any products that I can when I'm constructing something. I screwed in eyelet screws to the front and back of the cardboard roll and left the sides open. I used hot glue for making sure the eyelets stayed secure.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who would it go? Ho, 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 who would it go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
I made sure everything was aligned how I wanted it before hot gluing and proceeding to decorate.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
What I did to one side, I did to the other.
Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the
The
way.
post was ready. I attached the lamp part, and then I decorated it as I wanted.
Jingle all the way.